busy world where there's so many marketing messages, so much stuff happening, you've got to grab people's attention right at the beginning so they listen to your marketing and sales message. If you don't have attention, you don't have anything. James Bond movies are the classic example of this. How does a James Bond movie start? Right in the middle of the action, with the Aston Martins racing through the mountains of Italy. The last one, Spectre, started in the square in Mexico City with the helicopter chase, explosions. Then it cuts out to the music and the opening credits. If they did that the other way round and put the music first with the opening credits, would you be paying attention? Would you be reading the credits? Or would you be waiting for the movie to start? The only way they can get you to sit through the opening credits is to do the action scene up front. So they grab your attention, they get you into it, then they do the boring stuff second. So when you're doing sales, grab people's attention. Put the most engaging, interesting thing about your product, your service, what you do, right up front when you talk to people. Have a James Bond opening to grab attention when you're selling. And we have an entire series of events coming up in 2018 that we're really excited to share with you. So keep checking the events page on the website to find out where we're going to be in 2018. We're going to be in America, we'll be in New Zealand, and we'll be all across Wales, the UK, England, and Scotland. It's going to be great fun, and I look forward to meeting you at an event soon.
See you there.